Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How to make subtle and soft flavored Avadh's Nawabi Sabz Dum Biryani. The professional, social and personal lifestyle of Avadh's Nawabs involve long hours of sitting and lacking physical activity. Therefore, they develop obesity, heart problems, digestive and gastrointestinal tract disturbances and disturbed bowel movements. Hence, the Nawabs of Avadh preferred their food to be soft, watery, subtle and soft flavored, easy to digest, and so is Avadhi cuisine. Now for the recipe of Sabz Dum Biryani. Long grain or basmati or biryani rice, generally kept at 2 parts, but I have kept the rice as 1 part and vegetables as 2 parts. Now soak the rice for couple of hours. These are the vegetables that I have taken, but you can take any other vegetables that you prefer. The general ratio is 1 part of vegetables, but as I mentioned, I am going to be taking it in 2 parts. Green chilies as per as your taste, garlic again as per as your taste, and ginger again as per as your taste. Add to a blender and blend into a coarse grainy paste like this and set aside till to be used. Now tomatoes, 2 of them, medium sized, blend into a fine puree and set aside till required to be used. Aag lagao, water to preheat to boil the rice. Now aag lagao on the second burner also and set up a kadai, skillet, wok or a fry pan to heat, and mustard oil, kachi ghani or cold pressed of course. Ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Now stir well continuously. Stir well. It should not stick to the bottom, neither should it burn out, and stir well till the raw smell goes away. Now add the onions. Stir well till they just begin to soften, and add the tomato puree. Stir well periodically, intermittently, and of course occasionally, and continue to do so till onions begin to soften a shade. Now turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and sample of biryani masala that I made for a client, but you can add any biryani masala. Stir well to mix well. Stir well. French beans, cauliflower, green peas, potatoes, boiled corn. This is optional of course. Stir well to mix well. Stir well. When done, good. Suppresses harshness, sharpness and stinginess of the spices and gastrointestinal disturbances thereof. Salt, any natural salt, whichever you prefer, and stir well to mix well. Stir well. Now, are we forgetting something? Yes, we are, and that's carrots. Add the carrots and stir well. I love carrots, so that is why I have taken too many carrots. You can reduce the quantity as per as your like. Done. Cover and adjust the flame or heat to low or sim, and in the meantime the pot is ready. Add the rice, stir till rice is 50% done. When the rice is 50% done, switch off the heat or the flame. Strain the rice from the aqua di horchata or rice water or kanji, munji or mud and set them both aside till required to be used. Now uncover and stir the vegetables and check if the vegetables are ready by 80% and not more. No, not as yet. So cover and cook again for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, there, that looks better. A brief stir to check if the vegetable mix is ready and 80% cooked. Yes, it's ready. Switch off the heat or the flames. Add the cottage cheese, a final stir and remove for layering and done. Now grease a big biryani kadai or a heavy bottomed pot. This is most important. It should be heavy bottomed, thick. When done, lay and spread 1/3 of the 50% cooked rice as the first layer. Spread it out nicely and do not press. When done, lay out the 80% cooked vegetables as the second layer. And again, keep it uneven and do not press. Now, when done, lay and spread 1/3 of the 50% cooked rice as the third layer. And again, do not press. When done, pour pre-melted desi ghee over it and goat, cow, buffalo, almond, coconut, cashew, saffron, soya milk or any milk of your choice. Pour over the rice and cover and seal the lid of the pot with a heavy self-sealing lid as I have done, or dough lined on the edges of the pot or newspaper placed between the pot and the lid with a weight on top. Now adjust the flame and heat to sim and allow dum for 10 minutes. Remove the lid and check if Avadh's Nawabi Sabz Dum Biryani is cooked well. This is most important. Yes, Avadh's Nawabi Sabz Dum Biryani is cooked well. Now, to gently cut, lift, fold and mix all the 3 layers of Avadh's Nawabi Sabz Dum Biryani using a rice spoon, saucer or a fork. This is to be done very gently. Beautiful, isn't it? Now, serve Avadh's Nawabi Sabz Dum Biryani as such or with curd, raita, lentils, pulses or any veg or non-veg salan or gravy of your choice. And enjoy Avadh's Nawabi Sabz Dum Biryani with all your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear and above all your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.